Hello, hi guys. So today we have a tutorial English paper piecing. We are going to do some thread basting. So for this thread basting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a English paper piecing template, which is this one is a hexagon, and I'm going to fold that at the corner. I'm going to have a thread with a knot at the end. So you want to make a knot at the end so that it is not going to just pass through. What I'm going to do, the first thing is I'm going to pinch through the fabrics of both of these corner pieces. So at the corner there is two fabrics that we're going to join together. I'm not going to be touching the paper, so what I'm going to do is I'm trying to flick through just the fabrics. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that, and once I've got that in, I'm going to just repeat it once again to secure that stitch. So that is going to be the first thread based for each corner. So that's going to be for the first corner, and then I'm going to go ahead and just check whether that actually touched the paper, just to show you that it's not going to be touching the paper. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold the other corner just simply like that, and just make sure that the edges are really secured there. And I'm going to do again the thread basting, just the same technique, just once loop and then another again loop in. So I'm going to go through from one side to the other and make a loop, so that is actually going to be secured enough to hold that corners together. I'm going to go ahead and do each corner just the same stitch or just the same thread based. So that's going to be for the third corner. And I'm just going to go ahead, while going through, I'm going to finger press each side so that each side has a crease and nice, so that it follows along the template. So you want to make sure that it doesn't, go away from the template. So, and that's going to be the last, that's going to be the fifth corner for the final one. I'm going to do again the same thing. Now once you get used to this, it's going to get faster. I was looking through the video while I'm doing this, so that's why I'm getting like a bit fidgety there. And that's going to be the last corner there, where I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing, but I'm going to make a final knot, so you're going to have to watch this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press that in and get it out. And then I'm going to leave that loop, so that I'm going to go through the loop once and then twice, and I'm going to pull through, and this will create the final knot, and it's not gonna take off all the stitches all along. And that's your final one. You just want to go ahead and press it, and then you can just cut the thread off. Now all of them is not going to be touching the paper, so when you want to take out the paper later, you can just flip through the paper so that it comes out from the middle. So as you can see, this one, the paper is removed, and you can see that the stitches is still there, but I'm not going to remove that stitches, and it's ready for appliquing. So I hope you enjoy that.